Welcome to another DIY no sew face mask tutorial. In this video we're going to be making a face mask with things you have readily available in the house in case you have to go out and you need a face mask and you don't have one. This is a very easy face mask to make with a handkerchief and 2 rubber bands. What you do is lay your fabric and fold it in half like this. Next, you want to fold it again. At this point, you put in your rubber band on each edge of your mask or each edge of your fabric, because right now it's not near the mask. Find the midpoint and then just fold the fabric, the handkerchief like this. Now look for the space in between here where there's not here because here is open, but here, and then you can just tuck the other edge in like this.